Galen here, partner with Insurance Claim HQ, powered by Shannara Trial Attorneys. All the time, an adjuster comes out from an insurance company and says, hey, there's no damage, or there's damage but it wasn't caused by the storm, or there's just a little bit of damage. And then a public adjuster might come out and say, hey, I found all this damage. The average policyholder has trouble figuring out who to believe. So how do you figure out who to believe? There's no clear answer, but there are things you can do to figure out who you do believe. So first, look at the photos that are taken by everyone. Sit down, and if you have a public adjuster, talk to him or her. Ask to meet about their report, go through it, have them explain it to you. If they can explain to you how they see this damage and why they think it's in there, I would be more inclined to believe that public adjuster, because that public adjuster you have hired to help you. So presumably, if you hired the public adjuster, then you trusted them already. Keep in mind, there's a lot of really good insurance company adjusters out there who are good, honest people, but sometimes there is pressure on them to minimize the amount of claims, or they feel like they need to do that in order to keep their job, even if no one's telling them directly. So there is an incentive for the insurance company's adjuster to minimize the amount of damage. And the final thing is do a gut check. If the insurance claim adjuster is telling you, hey, none of this damage was caused by the storm, but you know it wasn't there before the storm, then I would be very suspect of that statement being made by the insurance claim adjuster. At the end of the day, with all things being equal, I tend to believe the person I hired to help me. And keep in mind, the insurance company's adjuster is working for the insurance company to help them. So if all things were equal, I would probably believe my public adjuster, but you actually can figure this out yourself. And if you're having trouble figuring it out yourself, then get with a qualified, knowledgeable insurance claim attorney, and they will help you analyze this. If you have any questions about this, or really anything for your claim, give us a call at Insurance Claim HQ. We'd love to help.